Move beyond knowing what the law says and into actually doing the work by turning legal insight into repeatable execution with Practitioner. If you have Family Law Hub Plus Practitioner or Family Law Navigator, you have access to all the family law and litigation secondary sources and practitioner content. With 3 unique types of legal research content available under your plan, attorney's briefcase content, secondary sources, and practitioner resources, you might be wondering when to use which type of content. Attorney's briefcase is where you start when you need to find family law and evidence statements of law. These modules also serve as an issue spotting aid and a jumping-off point for research and strategy. Our secondary sources go one step further than statements of law to offer a deeper understanding of the issue, while being grounded in practical and actionable analysis and guidance. Understanding the why of a strategy or task is a necessary precursor to effectively performing the how. Practitioner delivers the how by providing deep, task-level instruction and intelligence that allows you to confidently carry out the work necessary to achieving the desired outcome. To give you that confidence, Practitioner content is made up of 5 attorney-drafted resource types: workflows, how-to guides, standard documents, strategy notes, and charts and checklists. And each resource type is peppered with practice notes, cautions, examples, and judges' perspectives to keep you on track. To showcase the value of practitioner resources, let's take a look at each one in the context of a contested custody dispute. While child custody issues do not tend to be a one-and-done decision at the time of a marital dissolution, that is where they most frequently begin, which is why we include information for child custody in both marital dissolution workflows. Our workflows outline all the core legal tasks necessary to handle a legal matter, while grouping related tasks and offering estimated timeframes to provide necessary context. In our contested dissolution workflow, we include custody, support, and visitation-related resources as part of initial considerations, initiating the action, temporary orders, settlement efforts, discovery, and a whole section dedicated to child custody evaluations. Under each task, you'll find an assortment of relevant how-to guides, strategy notes, charts and checklists, and/or standard documents. Our how-to guides take you step-by-step through tasks like presenting facts to best support your position, completing, filing, and serving standard judicial counsel forms, and seeking and preparing a client for evaluation, among many other important tasks. You can read through the resource from top to bottom, or you can scan through the table of contents on the left and jump to the section you need. Notice the cautions and practice notes throughout. Where we can, primarily under litigation practice and procedure, we also offer county-specific step-by-step guidance for California's 20 most populous counties. Some of our county-specific guides that will be most helpful to family law practitioners include guidance on ex parte applications and filing records under seal. Our strategy notes help ensure that you fully understand every step of the process and every required form or document, and that you've made all the necessary strategic considerations to proceed with justified confidence. Our charts and checklists keep you organized so you don't miss a single step in this arduous process. We make our checklists robust with lots of practice notes, cautions, and of course, citations. Finally, our standard documents set you up for success by giving you attorney-drafted templates, like client intake forms, attorney fee agreements, a proposed statement of decision, and other non-custody-specific dissolution documents. To view the content organized by resource type as opposed to organized within the workflow, you can return to the topic page and find them all below the link to the workflow. Please keep in mind that while these resources are a very solid foundation for your work, and we do our best to maintain their accuracy, you should still carefully research and adapt the materials to the facts and circumstances of your case or matter and verify the currency of the legal authorities. When you want to apply authoritative guidance consistently, reduce rework, and spend more time advancing cases, Practitioner is where you turn. Explore the resources today.